Sylvan wood carving is brought to you by Omnitech CNC. Quality is our core. What we're going to be doing today is making a trivet from several different kinds of wood and texturing it. What you're seeing right now as I go through is the different cut types I use in Vectric Aspire. There's a texture right in the middle. I wound up modifying that a little bit with the final product. So what you're seeing here is close to, but not exactly, the same as the trivet that I made. And that was because I wanted a little more random appearance. What you're seeing here is a V-carving of the filigree that I added to the border of the trivet. And it's very easy to do with Vectric Aspire. You pick an image of your choice, pick the functionality that will allow you to trace the image in an automated fashion, and then simply go through and clean up any of the vectors that you need. So very easy, very handy to get some very beautiful inlays, and I guess I'm using the word very a lot there. You can see that the CNC is very precise in following its instructions. So that's the nice thing about it, is if you don't possess any artistic skills, such as myself, you can still use the computer to add the nuances like this filigree that will make your woodwork come out just great. This is the handheld controller for the Omnitech 1325. Really handy to be able to have and walk around the CNC. And of course you can see all that's going on too. This is the texturing of the inner part of the filigree, and I have to tell you, I made the mistake of not checking how much time it was actually going to take to do this. It's been a very long time since I ran textures on any wood, and I just completely forgot about it. It is a very long process. So if you've got someplace to go and you don't trust your CNC, then you're going to be pretty busy sitting there staring at the machine while it does its artwork. But it is really nice. You can make the difference between a, let's say, an okay conference table and a really impressive, beautiful table by using texturing. Now here I was experimenting with some very short lines. The texturing process in in Vectric Aspire is very configurable, so you can mess around with random noise inside the cut process, how long you want the lines to be, how deep you want the lines to be. So it's very, very handy, and like I said, it can really make the distinction between an okay project and an outstanding or beautiful project.